Good morning, Lisa. You're early today.
Yes, I wanted to catch the early bus.
That's smart. The traffic gets crazy after 8 a.m.
Exactly. I don't like rushing in the morning.
Same here. I always try to leave home before 7:30.
That's a good habit. How long does it take you to reach work?
Around 30 minutes if there's no traffic.
That's not bad. Mine takes almost 45 minutes.
Wow, that's quite a ride. Do you take the bus or drive?
I usually take the bus. Parking in the city is a nightmare.
Oh, I know. That's why I ride my bike sometimes.
Really, that sounds healthy and fun.
It is. Plus, it saves time during rush hour.
I wish I could ride a bike to work, but my office is too far.
Yeah, that makes sense. Where exactly is your office?
It's near the city center, next to the shopping mall.
Oh, I've seen that area. Lots of coffee shops around.
Yes, I always grab a cup of coffee before work.
Me too. Coffee keeps me awake during meetings.
Ha ha, same here. Without coffee, I can't start my day.
What time do you usually reach your office?
Around 8:45. I like being a little early.
That's great. Being on time shows responsibility.
True, my boss always says punctuality is professionalism.
Smart boss. What kind of work do you do again?
I work in the marketing department. I handle social media campaigns.
Oh, that's creative. You must enjoy it.
I do. It's fun to make ads and connect with people online.
That's awesome. I'm an accountant, so my work is mostly numbers.
Wow, that's impressive. You must be good with details.
I try to be, but sometimes spreadsheets make me sleepy.
Haha, you just need more coffee.
True. Maybe I should join you for coffee someday.
Sure, there's a great cafe near my office. You'll love it.
That sounds perfect. Let's plan it for Friday morning.
Deal, that'll be a nice way to end the week.
Definitely. By the way, what time does your bus leave today?
In about 10 minutes. I don't want to miss it.
All right, I'll walk you to the stop.
Thanks, Mark. That's sweet of you.
No problem. So, do you listen to music on the bus?
Yes, always. It makes the ride more relaxing.
Nice. What kind of music do you listen to in the morning?
Usually soft pop or jazz. Something calm to start the day.
Good choice. I listen to podcasts sometimes.
Oh, that's cool. What kind of podcasts?
Mostly motivational and English learning ones.
That's great. You're always trying to improve yourself.
I try my best. Learning never stops.
You're right. It's good to keep learning new things.
Looks like your bus is here.
Yes, I see it. Thanks for walking with me, Mark.
Anytime. Have a great day at work, Lisa.
You too, Mark. See you tomorrow.
See you. Take care.